Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to build this sticky mobile bottom navigation menu like this, and this will only work for the smaller screens like mobile. Okay, so you can see that we have this demo website here, and I have this mobile bottom navigation menu like this, which you can see on basically many types of apps. So I'm going to show you how you're going to add this type of bottom navigation menu for your WordPress websites by using the WordPress. Okay, and you can see that when we click on the home, it will take us to the home section, and here we have the about, so it will take us to the about section. Similarly for the services and similarly for the contact. Okay, so I will show you how you can make this type of custom bottom navigation menu using WordPress. Without wasting any time, let's start the video and we're gonna build this from scratch. Okay, so for making this menu, I have installed a fresh WordPress installation, and I'm going to show you from scratch how we're going to build this. Okay, so you can see that we have this dashboard, and for that let me show you the plugins which I'm using. So right now I'm using the Elementor and all this plugin, but you are not required to use this plugin. You can only use the free version of the Elementor. Okay, so for that so right now you can see that I have this website. So let me show you that I don't have any menu here. So let me go to the inspect, and I will show you the smaller screen. So you can see that in the mobile menu we don't have any menu. Okay, so let's go to the plugins, and we're gonna install a new plugin. Okay, so now you can see that for that we have to install this plugin. So here we have to search for the WP bottom menu. Okay, just search this plugin. After that you will find this plugin WP mobile bottom menu by WP Messiah. Okay, so you have to install this plugin. So you can see that after that you have to activate this plugin. Just activate this plugin. Then after that you can see that we have this plugin here. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just make a new menu. So now we have to go to this menu. So let's go to this menu, and you have to you can see that I already have this menu. So let me remove this menu first. So I think we have to remove this menu, or let's don't remove this menu. Let me show you how we're gonna build this menu from scratch. Okay, so you can also do it. So let me remove this menu so we don't have any compatibility issue. So this menu is deleted, so you can see that now we have to create a new menu. So let's create the new menu. And I'm gonna name this menu bottom menu. Okay, and here you have to choose BNAV bottom menu, this display location, and just create menu. Okay, just create this menu. Then after that you can see that here we have to add some custom links also. If you want to redirect this to any page, you can also do that. So let's redirect this to some pages, and also I'm going to show you how we can add this using the CSS ID. So let's go to this, and here we're gonna add home, and we're gonna redirect this to home. Okay, home section, and the second menu we're gonna redirect this to the about page. So we want just this link, so we're gonna just copy this link from here. Okay, and we're gonna paste this link, and here we're gonna write about. Add to menu. Then for the second one also we're gonna add this services, and here we're gonna add services. And for the contact page also we can redirect to the contact page if you want. So let's choose the link here. So if you want to redirect to the link, you can just enter the link, and if you want to redirect to any section, just add the CSS ID. Okay, let's add to menu. Now we have to save the menu. Then after that you have already installed the plugin, so just refresh this here, and after refreshing you can just go to the inspect, and you can see we have this properties here, but we can also change this property. So right now I have all the property which I am used. So let me show you how you can change these properties. Also you can make this glass morphism effect. Okay, now I will show you how you can change these colors and all. So for that we have to go to this and go to the general settings, and from here you can see we have this enabled. Here we have padding from bottom, just leave this. Here you can see we have the background type, we have the background color here. So right now you can see that this is the background color for this other space, outside space. So let me show you. if I go to this and if I choose the red color and if I save this, let's refresh this here. After refreshing, you can see this still not working. So what we have to do, we have to just go to this. Okay, so this is a background color, so we have to choose this here. Okay, so here we have the transparent effect, that's why it is not working. So let me go to this and I'm gonna make this full. Now let's try to save. Now if I refresh this, you can see that this is the color for the background. So we don't want the background, that's why we can make it transparent. Okay, so you can have this background color here, and here you can see that I have some padding from other sides. If you don't want the padding, you can just go here and you can make everything 0, like we can make everything null here. Okay, now let's save the changes. Now if I save the changes, you can see our menu will cover whole of the space, but we don't want this, so that's why we can give some padding here. Okay, so here we can do this, save the changes. Okay, like this. So you can see we have this padding and this is looking good. Now let me show you how you can change this to the black color. So for changing the black color, what you can do, you can just go to the menu styles and here you can choose how many grids you want to choose. Right now we have only the 5. If we add the 6 menu also, it will show here, but so you can adjust this from here. And this is alignment, left, center, right. Okay, menu item scroll bar, this is the on. So here you can see that we have the background color. Now let's change the background color to something else, like we can change this to purple. Let me show you, we can change this to green. So let's choose the green color. Okay, let's save the changes. Now we can refresh this, and after refreshing you can see that our menu color is also changed. Okay, so you can change this. Also, if you want to make that transparent, how are you going to do that? So we can just go here and we can make this transparent like this. Okay, just make the transparent till here. So let's make this more, and you can make this white color. Okay, now let's save the changes. Now if you go here, you can see you have this transparent glass morphism effect, but your menus are white, so it is not visible. So for that you can just go below. You can see here we have the border radius 20, so these are the border radius. Okay. Here you can see we have the item background, item active background. This is not needed, I think. Here you can change the icon size and all. Okay, this icon size, this is saying icon typography, so active icon typography. So here below you can see that we have the color option, so we can make this black. Also for this is the same color. Here we have the text typography, we can make this black also. Let's save the changes. After that we can just refresh it here, and you can see we have the glass morphism effect perfectly working. Okay, like this. Also if you want, you can add some border color here also. So you can see we have the item border, we can add 1 1 1 1. Okay, and you can just choose the color from here. We can choose the black color. Okay, let's save the changes. Now if I refresh, you can see we have the black border here. Okay, so these black borders are coming here on this. Okay, so this is the item border. Okay, so here we have this border, so I think we have to keep the border here. So let's do this, save the changes. After that let's refresh. Here you can see that this border is also coming on this, but we have also this border outside. Okay, so we have to just remove this border. We can make this here transparent. Let's make this, so the changes. Now let's see, so you can see that we have this border also. Now this is looking good. Now let me show you how. So you can see that we have this glass morphism effect here also. Okay, so you can see we have the glass morphism, so this is also looking good. Okay, now let me show you how you can change these icons. Right now you can see that we have the same icon. So for changing this icon, we can go to the appendix. Let's go to the menus. Then after that you can see we have this links here, bottom menu. Just click on this, so it will toggle this. Now below you can see that we have this add icon option. So here, from here you can just choose any icon. Suppose I want a icon for my home page. So I can choose this. Okay, and similarly I can choose the same icon for this active icon. Okay, now let's toggle this. So now let's go to the about. I want this I want some icon for the about now. So let me choose any random icon. Suppose I want to choose about icon. So let's choose any about. Okay, so in the similar way you can just choose any random icon from here. Okay, let's choose as icon for the services also. So we can choose an icon for the services. So here you can let's choose any services icon like okay, so here are so much icon. I'm confused. Let me choose this. Okay, in the similar way you can choose this again. Okay, and for the contact we're gonna choose any phone number icon like so let's go below. Here we have some calling one. So you can also search for, let's search for the contact. Okay, let's search for the phone. So here you can see that we have this, and we can also have this. Okay, so in this way we can just save the menu directly. So let's save this. Sorry for this music. And you can see this is still loading. Let's try to refresh it here. After refreshing you can see, I think the menu will be updated. Okay, so you can see the menu is updated. Now we can just click on this home. It will go to the home section, about, services. Okay, so it is going to other sections and pages also. So in this way we can go to the services. Okay, in this way contact page is also working. It will take you to the content, and this menu will work on all the pages. So right now you can see that we are on the contact, and you can see this is working on the contact menu also, contact page. Okay, so in this way you can fully customize this by using all of these methods here. Okay, so you have to just go to this styling, and you can just customize all of this option. You can also check out its free versus pro plans. Okay, all of things are there. So I hope you understand how you're gonna make this type of sticky bottom navigation menu for your websites. So I hope you like this type of videos. So if you are new to our channel, like and share our video with a friend, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see you next time.